whatever I see interesting, I will talk about that topic. Looks like markets are retracing, ranging, so I think it's a good timing to nail down some strategies. Or look at the lower time frame price actions too. Okay, so yeah, thank you for asking. I'm very good. I'm very good today. After I come to Dubai, I wake up very early in the morning. In Japan, I used to wake up like maybe 9 a.m. or 9:30 a.m. Sometimes I wake up at 8 a.m. But here in Dubai, I wake up at like 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. So yeah, but I feel much better here. Especially right now, this is still at 6 p.m. Dubai time. But when I was in Japan, this is like 11 p.m. So I feel much better in doing live streams and also giving some analysis at this time right now. I have more energy right now, so that's good. So that's a good thing. Yeah, I have to do the second channel live stream again too, so I have to give you some updates about Dubai life. All right, yeah, thank you for joining everyone, great to see you. Okay, so Rush says price action can be interesting to talk about, all right? Price action is everything. Yeah, I have mastered the price action, and Ichimoku and other indicators made more sense. Because after all these indicators are basically based on this price action or the candlestick movements. Okay, PRM says forecast lines will be interesting, all right? Yeah, forecast lines is also interesting. I haven't really talked about that recently, so if I find a good market to talk about, I will mention that one too. So it's like holistic analysis today. I won't really talk about one specific like market to look for buy or sell chances. I think I will just overall like talk about the market in higher time frames. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, just and also today is kind of a relaxing day. The markets are kind of retracing, ranging, so I guess I will just take it easy and just talk about any topics like in second channel. Preet says, how's the weather in Dubai? It's very nice. It's a bit humid, it's kind of foggy, but it's very nice. The skies is not really clear. You can see the building over there and it's kind of, kind of foggy. But yeah, it's very hot, but very good. All right, Signature says, please could you take time to analyze gold for us? All right. Gold is ranging still. It's a bit dropping downwards now, but yeah, I can talk about that one too. Yep. Thank you for joining, everyone. Great to see you. Forbes, thank you for being a fan of mine. Great to see you here. Yeah, please. Unfortunately, right now I have screened all these pairs before the live stream starts, and unfortunately, I don't see any trends as for Ichimoku. So I guess we can take trades by price action lines and other strategies in this case, or lower time frames. Yeah, Mr. Fernandez, that's right. I wake up with the sun today, or actually when I'm in Dubai, I wake up with the sun. Yeah. And I feel healthy, much healthy, so that's a good thing. All right, so let's screen charts per daily chart. Daily time frame, Euro USD flat, Euro AUD flat right now. So this is, when the market retraces, that's where you can use the forecast lines. But this is uptrending. You can see that the market has been bullish, uptrend on bullish in waves. So when the market is going up like this, I don't usually draw the forecast lines. When the market retraces backwards more heavily, then you might want to look at the market by the forecast lines. So let's see. Euro JPY, I think this one is a good one to use the forecast lines. You can see the swing low on the day of 20th of July, and you draw two lines, one from the tip of the wick to the Kumo, which was forming at that time. Senko span B, and also you draw another line to Senko span A, and you can see that the price is exactly in the forecast lines, and this shows that this is ranging. So basically the forecast line, you use it by the daily chart and see if whether the market goes up, retraces, or ranges, or going down this way. And if the market lands below the forecast lines on the day 24th of August, if it lands below it, then afterwards we can expect the market go down this way continuously. But if it goes up this way, and if it lands above the forecast lines, above the Kumo, then the market can retrace. I mean, it goes upwards continuously. And if the market lands within the Kumo, within the forecast lines on 24th of August, then most likely it will become range in the daily chart. So that's the basic strategy to look at the forecast lines. And also, as you can see, like in this example, the forecast lines also act like support resistance levels. So this is like a hypothetical trend line like this, and the market bounces, so it may bounce by the forecast lines and it goes up too, continuously like in this direction. So forecast lines, you cannot, at least myself, I don't use it for the entry confirmations, but you can get the overall market condition by daily chart. So in the previous retracement here, the swing high was on the 1st of June. It was on the 1st of June, and since then the market has been retracing backwards. And if you simply draw the lines to Senko span B and A from that retracing day, you get these forecast lines here, like this. And it looks like the market went downwards, and exactly on the day, 6th of July, the market closed below the forecast lines. On the 6th of July, the market closed below the forecast lines, and since then it's been downtrending, and now it's ranging. So while it's downtrending, the market was resisted by these forecast lines a couple of times like this, and gradually goes downwards this way. So you can use forecast lines with the Kumo, but at the same time, like I mentioned, you have to also look at Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, Chikou span to give holistic view about the market. Yeah, so that's the basic way to use the forecast lines. So yeah, Euro JPY is retracing backwards now for the last 2 days, including today is like bullish right now, but overall ranging, Kumo flat, Kijun-sen flat. So it may go up from here or it may go down, and we're not sure which way it's going as per daily chart. Maybe in lower time frames it's uptrending. Let's see. In 1 hour chart, in 1 hour chart it's uptrending right now. It broke the previous resistance level and looks like it's bullish. So it may keep retracing along with these forecast lines. But right now the Kumo is angle up right now, like Senko span B is up, A is up, and Kijun-sen is pointing upwards up because of this breakout. So it may retest this the resistance level and continues to go up this way. That's possible. And with this analysis of 5 lines of Ichimoku, and in this case like a 1 hour chart, what I also look at is, of course, lines, resistance line, support line, and also price action. So yeah, because And what I mean by price action in this case is that I look at the price action where the market reversed. So that means I focus the price action over here and see if this pushback was strong or not. I mean, all we're looking for is the market goes up this way continuously and trail the profits if you take a buy. But if it reverses backwards soon, then you have to exit. And to expect the market, whether the market will be continuous or not, you don't just focus on the breakout, but you focus on this retracement, this pushback point. And if I see the pushback here, I see multiple confirmations for this potential continuous uptrend, and one is this doji candlestick. The doji candlestick was formed here. You see the very tiny body. Let me enlarge the chart. Let me delete Ichimoku right now so that you can see the price action more clearly. So you can see that there is a, this is called a doji candle. You know, doji means at the same time in Japanese. So at the same time, meaning that the the start price and close price is about the same price level, and that's why this is called doji candlestick. And when I see doji candlestick, simply I wait for the breakout towards either direction. In this case, the market break upwards and continuously moving up this way. So this is actually one of the confirmations that I think this pushback is strong and this uptrend can be continuous. Yeah, I think, and also breakout of the resistance level is very strong too. There was a wick pointing upwards exactly on this candlestick, and the market is breaking that level upwards now. So this is about the price action, but if you think about it, like when you see the market breaks the resistance level, that means this is because the stop losses are taken. Of course, there are new buyers, and that actually pushes market upwards, but breakout happens when the stop losses are taken for the sellers. So sellers are shorting here. These intraday or scalping sellers are shorting here, and most likely the stop losses were here. Or even when if they are intraday to day trader, when they sell, psychologically speaking, most likely that they put the stop losses here. And so this downtrend movement was because of these sellers, new sellers coming in, and also there were stop losses here too for the buyers in the range. So within the range, there were buyers in the market, and these buyers in the range placed the stop losses here, and this downtrend happened for this 2 hours downtrend happened because of this stop losses taken away for the buyers within the range. But it didn't last that long. It only lasted 2 hours for bearishness, and afterwards there was doji candlestick. Like I mentioned, there was a doji candlestick like this. So if you look at these candlesticks, you have to think about like this, like a story of buyers and sellers, psychological changes. So the market went down because of this stop loss hunted by these sellers, and afterwards there was doji candlestick. And if we see doji candlestick, what that means is that the buyers and sellers are actually in equilibrium, like a 50-50 balance for buyers and sellers. And that's why the start price and close price became exactly at the same price level after 1 hour. So when I see doji candlestick like this on any time frames, I expect that there will be new stop losses above the wick and below the wick. So until it breaks towards either direction, I won't really touch it. And afterwards, the market went upwards because the buyers are dominant. And then the market went all the way up like this and breaks the resistance level upwards now. So yeah, I would say that this breakout is quite strong in 1 hour chart. So this uptrend may be continuous in that reason. Yeah, but once again, this is about the price action, but I also look at the market by Ichimoku. So if you see Ichimoku here, this is bullish. However, this Kijun Sen is still in the Kumo here. So when I see still the Kijun Sen within the Kumo, the buyers most likely won't follow. So the market can retrace backwards and retest this resistance level. And when you see really the Kijun Sen goes away, goes out from the Kumo, then that's when you really see the uptrend continuously. So in this case, simply I wait for this Kijun Sen to come out of the Kumo and continue to look for buy afterwards. So if you can kind of combine this price action with the Ichimoku, it becomes more powerful. You don't really look at the price action. You don't really look at the breakout itself. You can kind of imagine the reasons behind of the breakout or the pushback and pullbacks by looking at this price action and candlestick patterns, so that when you make your own decision to take trades, you can also create the scenario along the way. So in that sense, if I simply look at the price actions, then there are many opportunities in the market. But I use Ichimoku because Ichimoku is visual, and also Ichimoku teaches us, at least Ichimoku taught me, like a very important mindset about the things that I talk about on the part 1 of the Ichimoku 1 to 5 series. So yeah, so anyways, yeah, Euro JPY is breaking upwards now, so looks like this is continuously bullish. So let me check some other pair. Going back to the daily chart. And if it goes up, the target is going to be on the Kijun Sen of the daily chart, which is at 130.51 level. This is an initial target in this case, because the market retracing backwards to the Kijun Sen in this case. All right. Yep. Thank you for joining, everyone. Great to see you. Carbon, I hear a piano. Yes, it's background music. All right. Let's see. Okay, World Tracker says CAD-JPY in 1 hour chart. All right, CAD-JPY in the 1 hour chart. So starting look at the daily chart first. It's range. Right? The price is just going up and downwards. There was a inside bar breakout as per price action. So it may be continuously uptrend afterwards. But overall, Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat. So this is range as per Ichimoku definition. So let me look at the 1 hour chart. Okay, looks like 1 hour chart is now bullish, consecutively bullish in the waves, like this. And yeah, it's reaching towards the previous resistance levels now. The Kumo's moving up nicely, and Kijun Sen is going up too. So yeah, this is a nice uptrend right now. Okay, so market is at the neckline of the previous head and shoulders now. So that's why the price is a bit resisted by these price levels. But yeah, I think this is also a nice one to look for on the trading edge. I just mark, let's see, blue, because this is only trending as per 1 hour chart. Let's look at the 5-minute chart and look at the market by the price action. So here's 5-minute chart, and this is where you see the resistance in 1 hour chart. I think this is very interesting market. Yeah, the market can retest the reversal level and continuously goes up this way too. So in this case, I focus on this previous pushback and also how the market has been pulling back right now by 5-minute chart candlestick patterns. And here you can see the reversal confirmations, like there was a inside bar breakout, and also afterwards there was very tiny doji candlestick, and it also broke upwards too. And after this resistance line breakout in 5-minute chart, the market is continuously bullish. And afterwards, the market reversed backwards. And at this reversal, I don't see any engulfings, or I don't see any doji candlesticks. But right now, there is a doji candlestick here in 5. Yeah, about 7-8 minutes back, there was a doji candlestick. So from here, if the market goes up this way, if the market breaks the doji candlestick upwards, then we might see a continuous uptrend. But if the doji is broken downwards, then it might be downtrend. So here I wait for the candlestick close. When I see doji, I stop and wait for the market to break either direction. Well, in this case, upwards. And let me see. In terms of the Fibonacci level, this might be one of the Fibonacci levels. So I will also use that tool to see if this is that level. And yeah, looks like this is 38.2% level. So if it bounces like this way and goes up, then we can expect the market goes up on the consecutive bullish wave like this way. But if it breaks downwards, then the market can drop down to 50%, and we might see some kind of like a reversal candlestick patterns too here, or at the 61.8% level too. That's possible. So we'll see which way the market is actually goes up or down. Right now it's ranging, so we can't tell which way it's going. And this is where you have to be patient. Yeah, unless you confirm the market, how to say, like the market close level, and also these multiple confirmations, you have to wait. And that is my style. So, and while waiting, you can do some other things. You can reply emails. You can do some other things. But with that in mind, you just monitor the chart. All right. Thank you for joining, everyone. Once again, great to see you. Mikhail says, my appreciation for sharing your time, knowledge, and experience is helping me to understand my trading and the market. That's great to hear. Sure. Yeah, because all I can do is to share my knowledge through my experience. And it should be you that have to learn. and actually take it into practice. So, but thank you for the comment. Yeah, without your support and participations every day, I won't be able to do this every day. So, all right, thank you for joining, everyone. Oh, Kit and Dan says, I'm a fan watching from Philippines while on COVID isolation. Oh yeah, looks like the COVID is still a bit increasing. Some other parts, some parts of the world. In Japan too, in Tokyo itself, the number is increasing right now. So I hope really safe and healthy for everybody, your friends and family, and hopefully it settles down anytime soon. Thankfully, my families are okay, but yeah, I get these emails, a few times per week that the members or like my followers, supporters, family or friends are suffering from COVID. Sometimes I get the email like the father has passed away due to COVID or mother has passed away due to COVID. I feel very sorry, and yeah, really I hope that it settles down anytime soon. Oh yeah, so I will cover gold soon afterwards. All right, and thank you for joining from many parts of the world. It's nice to see here. Rupam says, Euro pound, please. All right, Euro pound. Let's see. So it looks like the market is breaking downwards now here in 5. So the next potential pushback level is at 50% level, and then 61.8. If it breaks 61.8, then you don't look for buy chance anymore. All right, so Euro pound. Let's see. I think this is ranging in higher time frame, but let's see. Looks like it broke the previous support level. It is breaking the previous support as per daily chart. So let me go down to forward chart. Yeah, in the forward chart, it is breaking down, and this is in the progressive tense, like breaking down. But unless the candlestick closes, we never know, because if the candlestick closes above the support level, then it looks like the previous candlestick, like a long wick pointing downwards, and you can see the support level, the market support as a result, and you don't want to be in the market in that case. So I would wait for the clear breakout. The Kijun Sen is in the Kumo now also, so this is not really a considerable like a breakout here. But let me check the 1 hour chart. In 1 hour chart, this is down, Kumo's down, Senko span B down, A down, and Kijun Sen down due to this breakout. So yeah, but I see the long wick downwards, pointing downwards, this part. So it may retrace backwards. So here, since I have time, we have time now, because there are no other trending pairs or markets, maybe we can look at the lower time frames in 5-minute chart and exactly see how this wick were formed by 5-minute chart. So here is 5-minute chart. The 1 hour chart candlestick started to form here at 2 p.m. in UTC, and this the candlestick is going to be closing at 3 p.m. here. So the market start was here, and it went all the way down and retraces backwards now. And if you see how the market is retracing over here, you can see that there is an engulfing structure too. This bullish candle, high and low, is engulfing the next candlestick, and it looks like it's breaking upwards now. So this is a retracement pattern of price action. So you don't want to be in the market in this case. The market might go up and go up in the range again. But if you see the market breaks the support level at 5-minute chart at 0.8494, however the market moves downwards from here, if you see the market breaks downwards the support, then you might want to think about the sell in this market. But unless it happens, I think that this reversal is still valid, and this might become a fake breakout and the market retraces backwards all the way. So this is where I don't really jump in to the market in this condition. Alright, DTS says, Mr. K, I tried to check the forecast line again. It's the Euro JPY 27 bars drawn manually. Alright, let me check. Sorry, did I make it wrong? Let's see, Euro JPY. Okay, daily chart. This is, it says 25. So yeah, 25 is correct. I draw the line from the wick, the swing low on the 20th of July, and moved this line all the way to the right, 25 bars. And so this is the correct forecast lines. Yeah, make sure you don't do 26. 25 is the correct way to draw forecast lines on TradingView, because on TradingView this candlestick is counted as 0, not 1. Like if you just press left click, then it says 0 bar here. And the next candlestick is counted as 1. And this is wrong as per Ichimoku, because this candlestick on the 20th of July should be 1 and count onwards. So if you start counting from here, then it should be 25 to the Kumo, and that is correct. Yeah, so each platform has like different measurement, different way to measure candlesticks and displacement. So yeah, if you really use the Ichimoku on any platforms, you have to be careful. Sometimes, or most of the time, that is either displacement or the calculation is wrong, unfortunately. But on the TradingView, it's correct. On the TradingView, the default Ichimoku is correct in its displacement and also calculation. And that's why I use TradingView. And also it looks nice. It looks much nicer than MT5. Oroka says pound pairs are strong. Yeah, looks like pound pairs. Pound had the big news today. Just a quick follow-up on the news, fundamental news today. There was a pound policy meeting in the UK, and also rate decision was there. But since it was the same rate as previous and consensus, it doesn't really give any impact to the market. But looks like overall, yeah, as compared to other currencies, pound is stronger. You can tell it from the strength chart that the green one is pound, and you can see pound is moving bullish now, and it looks like JPY is going down. So it looks like we have pound JPY to be trending up. So let me check pound JPY. We might have some opportunity there. So daily flat ranging, 1 hour is okay. 1 hour is now up So I think this is a good one to look for a trading edge. It broke the previous resistance level and still continuously bullish. There are a couple of previous highs here, but Ichimoku lines looks healthy. I mean, Kumo's up, Kijun-sen up outside of the Kumo, right? Tenkan-sen is up too, and Chikou span above the candles. So this is nice and stable uptrend, and also I can see that the consecutive dojis has been broken upwards. So this can be consistent. So yeah, we can look for the sell chance on pound JPY. So yeah, let me look at the 5-minute chart, and by looking at the price action, also this is runway. This is runway up right now, range breakout. So looks like we have some continuing uptrend right now. Let's see if this support at 152.87 was one of the Fibonacci levels. So I take this swing low to high and see if this is one of the Fibonacci levels. If it is, then we can still expect the market goes up continuously. So I draw it like this, and yeah, it was 23.6% level bounce. So I think this is a good one to look for buy. This uptrend looks to be decent right now in 5-minute chart. Alright, I do see many comments. Thank you for joining, everyone. Great to see you, and thank you for the comments. Thank you for being active on the chat. It's great. Carbon, I don't use the Heikin Ashi. I use candlesticks, not Heikin Ashi, because Heikin Ashi is a bit lagging, and Ichimoku 5 lines are actually reacting to highs and lows. So candlesticks work better than Heikin Ashi. Forbes says, why did you move to Dubai? Many reasons. Multiple reasons, but if I just pick 3, that will be time zone, and also investing opportunities, and then tax-free. I talked about it on my second channel, so you can enjoy that video too. Anthony says, only taking one trade this week, very tricky as I expected in August. Yeah, it's been tricky because this is the first week of the month, and also in the first week of the month we have big news. Tomorrow we have non-farm payrolls in the US. So have to be careful for these big events. Yeah, Friday, NFP, non-farm payrolls will be there. So yeah, just watch out on USD and gold and other markets for this. Oh, Movie Hero, you downloaded my spreadsheet. Okay, that's great. It's a free version. You can come to my website and click free download, and here, Profit Manager Excel, and you can download this spreadsheet for free. You can also watch the video about 3 important numbers. I think the spreadsheet is all the way down here. Yeah, here is you can download the spreadsheet. So yeah, R multiple, and also profit factor, and the drawdown are the numbers I value the most. And I don't really focus on the win rate. I only care about these profit factor and R multiple. You can find full explanations here on this website, so you can enjoy reading it. A movie here says, but I still wonder about pips in different market can be some for the calculation or multiple. So this is for the Forex. Or you can simply input the profit in pips and loss in pips. Then you get this profit factor. Oh, sorry, in money, sorry. R multiple will be for pips. Average profit in pips and average loss in pips is R multiple. So you can calculate, and also I think if you download, download your performance from the platform, I think you can find the R multiple too. Anita says, hello Kay, what's your usually live video schedule? So I do this at 2 p.m. in UTC time zone. Yeah, every day I talk about different topics. I do either live stream or video session. It starts at 2 p.m. in UTC time zone. All right, let's see. So so let's look at some other markets. We have about 5 minutes, so let's check some other. Oh, so gold. Let's check gold and see what's happening. So here's the daily chart in gold. As per Ichimoku, this is still ranging. The Kumo flat, Kijun Sen is pointing upwards, but if you can, as you can see, the price action, this is ranging overall. So unless you are a scalper or intraday trader, this is the market to avoid. I put the alert at this level, 1834.82. And just waiting for that breakout. If it breaks, then I expect the market goes up continuously. But unless it happens, I expect the market will be ranging. So I won't really touch it right now. Here's 1 hour chart. In the 1 hour chart, the market broke the support level, and now it's going down. And the next support level is at around 1793.62. It may drop all the way down to that level, so this is not a good time to buy for sure. Let me check 15-minute time frame. As per 15, there is its market is retracing, and it's now ranging in this part. So if the market breaks the support level, then it becomes reversed in wave, and you may expect the market continue to go down this way. But if it doesn't happen, if the market goes up from here, then most likely it will be in range. So yeah, better to stay away is my advice in this case. Monica, I downloaded the PDF and it's password protected. I think you downloaded the Ichimoku Basic Masterbook PDF, but it's for the Ichimoku community members. So unless you join the community, it's protected. Oh, Nguyen, you can sign up on Discord. Simply come to this Ichimoku webpage and scroll down a little bit and click here to join Ichimoku Discord, and you can connect Discord to YouTube and you get all the perks in Discord. And if you have any troubles, please let me know by email. That's the best way. I keep getting messages from Discord, direct messages, but because I get too many, I can't follow up. So if you can just write me an email, that would be great. Okay, so I do see many more comments, but sorry, I have to end the live session and switch it to the Ichimoku membership live stream. In there, if there are some opportunities, I will take a real trade, take a real position, and explain about the price action and Ichimoku continuously. So for those who are members, I will see you soon in Ichimoku community. And for those who are joining